I like filming my videos with my iPhone. In this case, my iPhone 5. It's got an 8 megapixel camera, and the results I've seen have been really good. So I thought, why not make this my camera? And it's worked great, except for one thing. I didn't have a great way to mount it to a tripod. So I went on Thingiverse, and I found several different iPhone stands that work with a tripod. And I found a real simple one that had two walls sticking up, and you put the iPhone between it. The problem was one of the walls would actually block my view in the front of the camera. So I made a new one with a lower wall, and that's what I'm using here to hold the iPhone. Let me show you how I built it. I used Tinkercad to create the design. I loaded in the original STL file from username Samcast. Next, I needed to make the gap wider. I needed it to be 10.8 millimeters wide. So I placed a block in between the two sides that was exactly 10.8 millimeters wide. Then I changed that to a hole so it would actually take away material. Next, I needed to make one of the walls lower. I needed it to be 15 millimeters tall from the bottom. So I placed another block exactly 15 millimeters off the bottom and covered the whole wall, then made that into a hole to take material away. Then I grouped everything together to make one solid unit, and then I had my final design. Then I exported the .stl file from Tinkercad and imported it into the XYZ software for my Davinci 3D printer. I used a 0.4 layer height and a 10% fill. This gave me a design that was plenty strong enough and quick to build. It printed in about 30 minutes. When the design was done, I let it cool and then lifted it off the heated bed. But now I had to see if it would fit inside my tripod. So now I just pull back the lever, insert the iPhone holder, install the iPhone, and I'm ready to go. So now I'm filming using the stand I just created and my iPhone. I hope you enjoyed this project. I plan to do more with my Davinci 3D printer and more electronic projects in the future. So if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.